In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an A record in CPanel using Namecheap step by step, so you can point your domain to the correct hosting server without confusion. This is one of the most important DNS tasks when you're connecting a domain to a website, and once you know where to click, the process is actually very simple. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more clear software and web hosting guides. Let's jump in. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the hosting list section. This is where Namecheap shows all of the hosting plans connected to your account. If you have more than one service, take a moment to make sure you select the correct hosting plan for the domain you want to update. That part matters because the DNS changes need to be made in the right place. After selecting your hosting plan, click Go to CPanel. This will open your hosting control panel where you can manage files, email, databases, and DNS settings. Now that you're in CPanel, look for the Zone Editor tool. The Zone Editor is where you manage DNS records for your domain, including A records, CNAME records, MX records, AMEX records, and more. Once you open Zone Editor, find your domain name in the list and click Manage next to it. This takes you to the record management screen for that specific domain. From here, you'll be able to add or edit DNS entries. To create a new A record, click Add Record. When the record options appear, select A record. This tells CPanel that you want to map a domain name or subdomain to an IPv4 address. Now it's time to enter the host or name. This is the part of the domain you want to point. For example, if you're setting up the root domain, the host may be your main domain name. If you're pointing a subdomain, like www or blog, enter that specific host name instead. After that, go to the record or address field and type in the IPv4 address of your hosting server. Make sure this IP address is correct, because this is what directs visitors to the right server. Next, you'll see TTL, which stands for time to live. In most cases, you can leave TTL at the default value. Only change it if your hosting provider specifically tells you to use a different setting. Keeping the default is usually the safest option if you're not sure. Before saving, take a second to double-check everything. Confirm that the hostname is correct, the IP address is accurate, and you selected a record rather than another record type. Once everything looks good, click Save Record. That's it. Your A record has now been added in CPanel using Namecheap. Keep in mind that DNS changes may not work instantly everywhere. Sometimes they update within minutes, and other times they can take a little longer, depending on propagation. So if your website doesn't show up right away, give it some time and check again later. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more hosting, domain, and website setup tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.